Have you ever pondered what transpires when a solid-state drive or SSD fails? The answer, my friends, lies in the intricate world of circuits and electricity. Like any data storage technology, SSDs are not immune to failure. But what causes this failure? Usually it boils down to circuit failures. Picture intricate pathways, all carrying vital information from one point to another. These pathways are the lifeblood of your SSD, allowing it to function smoothly and efficiently. But what happens when there's a disruption in the flow? Imagine a highway during rush hour and suddenly a roadblock pops up. Chaos ensues, right? That's exactly what happens when a circuit fails on the SSD. The circuit pops, causing disruptions in the flow of information. The SSD, now unable to function without its vital pathways, fails. But all's not lost. In the digital universe, there exist guardians of data, the superheroes who swoop in when the SSD fails. One such hero is eProvided Data Recovery, in business for over 23 years. Armed with cutting-edge technology and a team of SSD data recovery experts, eProvided specializes in recovering files from SSDs that suffer from any type of failure. Regardless of the damage to the SSD drive, eProvided recovers your precious files from any type of SSD, NVMe, PCIe, or M.2 SSDs, ensuring no files are lost. So the next time you find yourself staring at a failed SSD, remember there's no need to panic. With eProvided, help is just a phone call away. eProvided had its 6th success recovering NASA mission data just this past year. Don't let a circuit failure rob you of your valuable data. Reach out to the experts at eProvided and let them work their magic. Your SSD deserves nothing less.